Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, as the Sunshine Girls prepare for Game 3 against South Africa on Saturday, they will be hoping for a repeat of the crowd support they got in the first two matches.
The National Indoor Sports Centre was rocking on Wednesday night as a diverse crowd, including track and field stars, entertainers, family members, politicians, and of course, Miss Potcover herself, were among the thousands cheering on the famed Sunshine Girls to win number 2 over South Africa's Spar Proteas. The supporters from all walks of life were vocal from the first whistle, cheering for every pass, every interception, and every goal. A regular supporter of the nation's athletes, Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness heaped praises on not only the players, but the administrators of Netball Jamaica.
Well, firstly, I'm very proud of the Sunshine Girls. They are very professional, but they are a good, strong team. Both the senior team and the junior team. But I'm particularly impressed by the effort and organization of the sports administrators. I think they have done an amazing job in reorganizing the sport, in ensuring that the sport is strong, and the government will continue to support.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange was overwhelmed by the turnout of fans and declared Jamaica as netball country.
It's just a great feeling. And Sunshine Girls, they really bring sunshine into our life, because coming here tonight, seeing the wonderful performance, and just seeing the reception, the response. There is a netball following, and a netball, this is a netball country. People can talk about football, they can talk about track and field, whatever they want to talk about. The Sunshine Girls are loved by Jamaicans, and they are supported.
Former 100 meters world record holder Asafa Powell was also in attendance. While admitting that it was his first time watching the girls live, he was so impressed with their performance that he pledged to return to watch them again.
I don't know sports, and I love all sports, and the girls deserve the support. I just wish the stands was filled with a lot more Olympians and athletes, but I don't know I'll be able to support. It's actually my first time watching a game, and I plan to come and watch a lot more.
Goal shooter Shimona Jock has been outstanding in the first 2 games, and she's not short of her own personal cheerleader. Her 6'8" husband, Boy Jock, is in Jamaica for the first time offering support. He says he has fallen in love with the island.
In Australia, we have something very similar. It's called the South Sudanese basketball tournament, and it's exactly the same. And I love it. I love the music. I love the loud noises. I just love the excitement. I don't like being quiet. I'm a very loud person, so I fit right in.
Game 3 tips off at 6 p.m. on Saturday. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.